Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is me Farhan Khan and you are watching Let's Speak. Today in this video I am going to share a story. So in this video I am going to show you a short story. With this story you can learn how to speak English and you can also motivate. So let's start. The story title is A Small Village and Big Dream. This is the story of our four friends, Farhan, Faizan, Ikra, and Saliha. They lived in a small village where the life was simple and easy and peaceful. Every evening, they sat near the field and talked about their future.
I want to study in big city.
I want a good job in a company.
I want to speak English confidently.
Good.
I want all of us succeed together.
One day, a teacher visited their village school. He spoke in English. Most of the students were silent.
Yes, English is important in the city.
But English is difficult.
English is new, not difficult. We have talent, but our English is weak.
That day, they decided to learn English seriously. They had no coaching center, no smart classroom, but they had determination. Every morning, Farhan read newspaper loudly.
Once upon a time, there was a king. He lived in a village.
Saliha learned a new English vocabulary daily.
हैप्पी मतलब खुश एनिमल मतलब जानवर एलिफेंट मतलब हाथी
Faizan watched English video on his mobile. Ikra practiced English in front of the mirror.
Hello, my name is Ikra. I study in class 8. My school name is New Model Mohan Public School.
They spoke broken English, but they never stopped. That is a very good thing. After 1 year, they moved to city for their further studies. The city was big, the buildings were tall, people spoke English very fast. On the first day,
Where are you from? We are from village.
life in the city was not easy. Teachers spoke in English, interviews were in English. Even shopkeepers spoke English. One evening, Saliha said,
I feel small here.
Sometimes I want to give up.
We did not come this far to stop. Our village taught us hard work. We will not quit.
Now they made new rules. Speak English every day, no fear of mistake. Help each other and they joined libraries. They spoke English with strangers. They corrected each other with respect and politely. Slowly, what happened? People started listening them. And one day, Farhan faced an interview, and the interviewer asked,
Tell me about your journey. I come from village. I struggle. I learned and I improved English. English is not my first language, but it is my stand now. Thank you. Yes.
After success, they returned their village. They started free English classes.
If we can learn English, you can too.
Village is not weakness.
Fear is the real problem.
Moral of the story, you don't need city, you need stars. Village or city, dreams are same.
Start learning English today.
Your journey begins now.
अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक और शेयर करना, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए पढ़ते रहिए, सीखते रहिए एंड स्टे कनेक्टेड विद लेट्स स्पीक।